Hey, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. Worse than March 2020. Bitcoin price dived below $33,000. Bitcoin fell by $8,000 in hours on Wednesday as holders saw return level not seen since the start of February. BTC stumbled to new lows of 32,200 on Wednesday. Selling pressure already high kept coming as fresh claim of China's crackdown combined with stock rout and a new strengthening of the US dollar. While the dip in the dollar term was averaged by Bitcoin standard, it caused mayhem among speculative traders, with a single hour seeing $2.7 billion of liquidation. Total 24 hours of liquidation stood at $6.5 billion. As of right now, Bitcoin is trading for $35,371. On altcoin, the picture was similarly grim, with many major cap tokens shedding nearly 30% on the day. Among the biggest drop were Telcom, Shiba Inu, both which had previously booked significant gains. Ether, meanwhile, briefly lost a side of $2,000 before recovering.